Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more informative content. Today, we're diving into something incredibly prestigious, the National Defense Academy, or NDA. If you've ever dreamed of serving your country in the armed forces, this video is for you. So, what exactly is the NDA? The National Defense Academy is India's premier joint training institution and center of excellence for grooming future leaders of the Indian Armed Forces. It is located in Khadakwasla, near Pune, Maharashtra. Introduction to NDA. The NDA is the first tri-service academy in the world. Here, cadets from the Army, Navy, and Air Force train together before they go on to respective service academies for further training. This unique system builds camaraderie and a sense of joint manship among the future leaders of the Indian military. Established on the 7th of December 1954, the NDA has produced some of the finest officers who have led the Indian Armed Forces to glory on numerous occasions. Admission process. Now, let's talk about the admission process. Getting into the NDA is no small feat. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can make it. Step 1. Eligibility criteria. First, you need to meet the eligibility criteria. You must be an unmarried person. You should be between 16.5 to 19.5 years old. You must have completed or be appearing in 10+2 or equivalent examination from a recognized board. Step 2. Application form. Next, you need to fill out the application form. The form is available on the official UPSC website twice a year. Make sure you fill in all details correctly and submit the required documents. Step 3. Written examination. After submitting your application, it's time to prepare for the written exam conducted by UPSC. The exam consists of 2 papers, Mathematics and General Ability Test, GAT. You need to score well to move on to the next stage. SSB Interview. If you clear the written exam, you'll be called for the Services Selection Board, SSB, interview. This is a 5-day process that tests your intelligence, personality, and physical fitness. Step 5. Medical examination. Candidates who pass the SSB interview undergo a thorough medical examination to ensure they are fit for military training. Step 6. Merit list. Finally, a merit list is prepared based on your performance in the written exam and the SSB interview. If your name is on the list, congratulations! You're in. Training at NDA. Once you join the NDA, the real adventure begins. The training at NDA is rigorous and designed to transform young cadets into disciplined and skilled officers. It includes physical conditioning, academics, and outdoor activities. Cadets are also given academic education in subjects like science, technology, arts, and military studies, which prepares them for various roles in the armed forces. So, that's an overview of the NDA and its admission process. If you have any questions or need more details, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video. share it with aspiring cadets, and subscribe to our channel for more content on military and defense careers. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your journey to the NDA. Jai Hind.